Hello everyone, how are you doing? So today we are talking about how you can monitor your RAM and CPU in your Windows 11 system. So how we can do that? Let's do it. Okay. So right click on your taskbar and open the task manager. Okay. You can see the task manager here. Okay. Now you can click on performance. When you click on performance, you can see we have CPU and memory. So click on CPU, you can see I have 12th generation i7 CPU. Okay, you can see the core and threads here. Okay, I have logical 12 core, okay, and 10 core, and okay, you can see I have cache L1, L2, and L3. Okay, and also you can see the process threads and handles. Okay, you can see the speed 1.9293 like this. Okay, utilization 14%, 10%. Okay, and uptime, when I start my computer and still at this moment, what time is it? Okay, so you can see the all this. And also if we ask about memory, you can click on memory and you can see I have 40 GB memory. Okay, and also you can see the speed 32 mt slash s. Okay, small s, and I have two slots, 2 of 2. Okay, from factor row of chips. Okay, you can see the available 21 GB available. Okay, and also you can see the cache 6.1 GB cache in my RAM. Okay, so these kind of things you have to notice sometimes whenever you scan the computer or scan your RAM, scan your CPU, scan everything. So that's it for today, and also I'll show you the Wi-Fi. You can see my Wi-Fi connection. Also I can show you the GPU. You can see the GPU. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.